while I was taking out the engine or the steering rack that this bolt was loose, and it's welded on the back. I'm just glad it wasn't this bolt or this one, so hopefully I'm gonna be able to weld it without having to cut out anything. Painted, yeah, you can see this part with some rust primer protection. This needs 1 day to like work properly, and after 1 day I can take like one component spray filler thing. There's probably lots of better solutions and better products I can use, but I have no idea what I'm doing. But this is better than this is hopefully better than bare metal, so I think I'm gonna crash the car before it starts to rust anyways. So, and I also cut out part of this of the front. This is because the oil filter on the engine sits in the front, and I want to be able to change oil with the engine and everything in the engine bay. I probably would be able to do that without cutting out this piece, but I figured why not cut out this piece to do it more easily for myself in the future. I guess at some point I will probably cut out all of this anyways. That's it for now. Bye.